VS Code just made a change that makes stashing or saving your changes and switching to some other branch super easy. It is a very common scenario when you are working with any programming language that you want to save your changes and you have to switch a branch. Let me switch to VS Code here, and there I have an existing project where you can see I have some history and I have added that to my Git repo. Now what I will do is right here, let me make some change, add some lines here, and if I save that, in VS Code you can see now we have these two changes. But I'm not happy with these changes and I want to save them because they are not complete and I want to work on some other requirement or some other feature. What we can do here is if you see the three dots here, we can stash and we can stash the change. Let me do that here and I will say temp1, press enter. Now once I have stashed that, when I have to bring that back here, things are not that intuitive. If you have worked with other editors here, stashing in Git can be made super simple. And VS Code has done that already. But for that you will have to update that to the latest version. And then if you navigate to the settings here, we will have to search for repositories. Let me open that. And here you can see the selection mode. We will have to modify that to be single here. And also where we have the experimental explorer, we will have to enable that. Once you do that and if you close it, let me navigate back here. We will have to enable the repositories here. Let me click on the three dots. And after that, if you expand the Taskopedia, you can see all the stash. And that is super useful. Let me also hide the graph here. I do not want that. But now you can see the stash. And I can pop the changes here by clicking on the icon. And then it will bring both of those changes back. If I had to create a new stash here, I can add a few more BR. Let me open some more files here. Do not worry about the code here. It is a React application, but we want to work on the Git changes. Now I have 4 changes. If I want to stash them, right here in the stashes, if you click on the plus icon, we can stash the change. We will have to give it a name. Let me call that temp2 here and press enter. Perfect, the changes have been stashed. If you have more branches here, you can always navigate change branch here, and then when you are back here, you can easily apply them by clicking on the apply stash, or we have the apply stash right here. So that way you can see quickly how easy it is to apply stashes and work with stash in VS Code now.